Okay, I got the 5 screws put in. Now this can be a toughie. Because there is a groove down there and you've got to get that seated. If you don't get it seated, this will come off, this comes off, your chain slides off, you got a mess, okay? So it looks easy. Now that actually sounded like that it got in there. Okay, I can verify that that is in the groove on all 3 sides. Okay. So now why don't we put screw goes out, of course. And we can just go ahead and screw it out all the way because that's where it's going to need to be. So we put the bar on it tomorrow. I really need to change those bar nuts. They're the wrong ones. Because they don't have the shoulders. And you see, that has a bevel. I think I'll wait on those. Okay, I put the wire in the little holder there because we want to keep it out of the way, of course, of the spinning flywheel. All right. Now, if you notice, it's probably not a bad idea, and I have it, is I boogered that up on top, took a little of the finish away so that my ground can, I don't know why that it doesn't reach down here on most of them, but the manual does say that this is the right spot for it. You know, they engineered these a little different each time, so. I just look at the book and go by it. So let's put the top on it. I am going to go check my IPL. I want to verify the length of the screw here. We don't want, it won't matter so much over here, but I know that they match, and I kind of forget. You wouldn't want too long of a screw coming down through here and catching there, so 18 will do it. For some reason that came out. I'm going to go ahead and put the decomp in so that my fingers are not challenged any more than they are. Now I took a, and I want to tell you something. I recommend you always check this on an aftermarket cylinder. Anything less than a Motora. Is I take a FarmerTec decomp and I screw that in here. Because that is a $20 decomp in a $15 cylinder. That's never happening to me again. They replaced the cylinder, didn't, you know, of course, didn't help me a bit because of the decomp was the real prize. Now this turning in there real easy. Guess I ought to do the same thing here. That's an NGK. It's a new plug. It's done nothing more than pop. Now, you know, there are no inserts in these like in the 660. Can't tell if it's hitting it. Maybe that's it right there. And I had to wallow out the plastic around the decomp to make the hole suitable to be able to get your fingers down in it. Oh, and you may be interested, I forgot, I don't know if I said or not, the gasket, the supplied gasket was paper for the cylinder.